What's going on, everybody? It's time to forex it up. Let's go. So today we're gonna be looking at Tuesday, July 11th. Let's see now. Sometimes, like I said, start off with the daily. You can do the monthly too. I rarely check month. Rarely. But it's good to check that from time to time. Weekly as well. We never broke this, so we never broke this one, so right here, so that's interesting. But we did break here, and we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So this could potentially just take off, break all of this, and tap into like this, and then tank, or it could break this and keep going. But yeah. So anyways, daily, nothing crazy yet. Snaps on H4. Okay, here we go. So H4, let me draw it out. This is what I like to do. This is my type 1 mini. So this broke this, which also broke this. Bam. Structure. All right. So I mean, honestly, if we can get 66, 69. Wait. Wow, that's a tough one. I'll take it. If this comes here, cool. You know what? Yeah, because that's just a big. That's a 66-point stop loss. Now, mind you, I'm coming. Okay. So it's worth it. All right. Let's see though. So, oh wait, let me go back. 15 to H1. Broke structure here too. Yeah, with that. But that's not my setup. All right. Oh, snaps. Okay. So we're gonna start it here at 740. What, 44? We broke here, but I want to break this. If we can break this, for sure, for me, that's sales. But honestly, since you broke here, we can still sell. But let's get it started. Okay. Nope, nothing yet. Okay. Kind of. Okay, we're getting there. Let's see what we can get. Let's see. Oh yeah, mark that up. It's not perfect, but yes, definitely is some liquidity right there. So let's keep that in mind. Price may come target this, and it might not. We will never know until it does what it do. Okay. And it looks like, oh wait, okay, so it tapped here, and look at that. Okay, nope, never mind. It is playing around. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's going. If you wanted to take this, once it broke here, entry would have been anywhere from here, 78, with your stop loss being 85. Oh, yeah, that's nothing. That's nothing. I'm not taking them type of trades though. And you see, this is why I look at that. Market opened at 8:30. Yep, you'd have been waiting. You would have been waiting. I mean, you'd have got 18 points, but you would have been trying to go down there. So it is what it is though. Initially we want this. We are looking for that. Now we just got to see if we can get it. Okay. Oh man, it is selling. Market is selling. Whoa. And this is how I trade in real life. Like I constantly check. I'm constantly checking. And so now we finally did get it on M5. And I'm looking for anything in there. It could tap this and tank too, because that's the wick part of this. But I like to play it safe. Stop loss is 24. Yeah, that's fine. And you can take it all the way down. All right, so let's see what's up. Oh wait, that's M5. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, wicked it, but that's funny that wick is not showing up here though. Okay. that's fine. Came down. Got it. Okay, if it keeps going, we might not get the entry that we're looking for. If it keeps going, yes it did, it kept going. Okay. Nothing yet. Okay, but we still waiting. So we broke all of that. You could potentially say entry was here. See how it reacts to that. And take buys. You can take buys from right there, but you gotta see. We gotta see how it okay, and there you go. Alright. So it's reacting. Look at that. What did I say? I said you could have took it. I think I did take this play, or no, maybe I missed it last week. Maybe I missed it on this day. Yeah, but there you go. And honestly, at this point, SL would be down here, and you just let it ride. Once it tap here, you can close it or you can keep holding. There's liquidity somewhat right there, so you could take it all the way up to my entry for sales. Alright, so I'm out. If I was in this trade, I am out. Bet. Alright, now let's see. So we broke here. I would have wanted it down there, but it's probably not coming. So the next best move is... The next best move, let me move this over, get that out the way. It's blocking. The next best move is here, but you also got to keep this in mind. So enter in there, stop losses like right there, and it's only 22. That's not bad. And I'm just, if this is me, I'm trying to take, oops, if this is me, I'm taking all of this out, all of this, and we could call it, well, let's make it a little neater. Bam, there you go. And we could call it for the day, you know, because this is 63 points. Yep, we can be done if it comes back. All right, cool. So we broke structure here. Now let's see what it does. Huh. Okay. So price is looking like it might not come back to us. It might tap and then go. It might tap sales. Okay. And this happens sometimes. Yep. You just got to be okay with it. Oh wow. Okay. Give me something. Alright, so now we in it with sales. Let's see. And honestly, I forgot to update the sales position because we tapped here. So technically, you could say you're not in it. But for the sake of this video, we are going to say we are in it. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. We are in it. Now let's see how this plays out. Alright, so we took an L. Intense. Alright. I don't know. Negative, what was that? 22. Alright, so SL is negative 22. Okay. And now we monitor. See what it do. Bet. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get it back. How? Look at this. Type 1 right here. Alright, so the entry is here. Let's go. Yeah, look at that. 27. So we get this. I mean, we essentially back in the game. Yeah, so now we in. We are in. It just needs to tap what we want. And then we good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hold on. Let's see. Alright, that's a W. We're taking it. 28. So now we back. And the reason why I said oh wow is because you have to watch it. Sometimes, like right here, it'll come down. Well, first off, stop loss was only 10 points. So I could see I would probably hold that. And it's like what? Let's bring it down. 14. So look at that. And you have to do that because sometimes it'll just wick it. It knows stop losses. It's kind of like they know where stop losses are. So they just come wicked. But yeah, so that's they're wicked and then do what you wanted it to do. That happens often to people. So win 28. So now we back. We are up 6 points. Now let's see. Let's see. And then it broke again. So technically, you could let it come back and retake the trade again. That's interesting. Wow, look at that. I got out and it just took off. Sometimes you gotta set some stop losses and just let it play, but it's okay. All right, so I actually like this on M5. This might be a sale. Let me see. This might be a sale. And then this would be probably if I was trading, this would be my last trade of the day. Okay. Yep. Alright, so it barely did it. Okay, let's go. Any in this area is honestly fine. Yeah. Yep. That's what I like. That's what I like. Let's just play it safe. Oh, that's only 24. That's crazy. Okay, so we can actually keep that and just take it here. That's TP1, honestly. What I really want is to take it down here. So let's mark it right here. It's TP1. Yeah, that's right. Make that line black. And then this is TP1. I'm gonna see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Okay, hold on. Let me back it. Once I see, this is something that I did today actually. In a moment like this, to where it broke, came back up, and it didn't fully come, I would honestly just adjust. Why is it doing that? I would adjust entry to here and just do something like that. So we barely getting wicked in here. It's still pretty good. We're aiming for 85 points. Look at that. Look at that fast. Bam. And so here's TP1. And so you could have literally said stop loss is here, or you could have said, you know, I'm gonna hold it. Me, honestly, I would set TP right there. So TP1, stop loss is hit. I'm out. TP and then SL hit. Okay. So I just took what was that? 43? Alright, bam. But let's just see if that's just for those who would hold it. Do you get full TP? Let me draw this out. Alright. I don't even need to put it like that. Oops. And see, look at that. It's coming up. It's coming up. So, you know, first off, before I forget, let's pause it right here. Put this as a win. What was it, 43? All right, 43.7, but we're just gonna keep it simple, 43. So now I'm up 50, like about 50 points on the day. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. This one's ugly, but that's entry. That's an entry. Let me check something. Nope, not yet. It's trying to. This is trying to form an entry. This broke that liquidity right there. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Entry was in here. And like breaks somewhere in there, that's confirmation break. This is double confirmation break. But once we broke here, you could have got in there. It's up to you. All right, so depending on what you did, you lost. You know, if you got in here, you won. If you were crazy and waited for the retest, it's not looking too good. And by retest, I'm talking it came here, it came back down. It's not looking too good. Yep. Well, I mean, you technically still good. Stop loss should not have got hit yet. Now stop loss is hit, so you would be out. At least, I think in my case, stop loss might have been out. No, let's see. Let's double check it, because if we break in here, okay, that's a 20. Oh, so I'd technically still be in it. No, I wouldn't. That's just too big. I don't like the way it looks. I would have brought. No, I might have. I don't know. We'll see. But you depending on what you were doing, you never hit 25 points, which is my stop loss. Let's just see if it. We've got it here. Let's see. It's playing around. Looking like now it's okay. All right, so now you're looking like you might be good. Look, there you go. There you go. Now let's move over to 15. Nothing yet. Okay. How long was this trade? 12. Oh, okay, it's not bad. It's just 30 minutes. All right. At this point, though, I'm setting stop loss. I'm not gonna lie. It's because now we're closing in on an hour just for 31 points. So if I were to do this trade and I was still in it, I'm setting my stop loss right here. I don't care at this point. I don't care because I'm trying to get out. I just don't want to walk away with it coming all the way down here. So if it tapped this, I'm happy knowing that a losing trade went positive. All right, we out. Yeah, I'd be out. See, and this is why. It actually did. It hit this. So you technically were good. 19 points. It's not the best, but if you held it all the way, you got 20. So it's not bad. It's not bad. You would have been decent, but me personally, like I said, I was getting out here up 19. But yeah, I was done for the day. Well, I would be done for the day, but we'll keep going just to see if there's anything else for someone who might have been looking for a trade. I'm happy with what I'm at. I'm at the 50. Oh, look at there, another one. Oh, look at that. About a 30-something point. Okay, it's touching 40 now. Yeah, this move here, and I see it too. Type 1 right there, barely. So entry would have been there. And here's another one, another type 1. Broke. This one was a sleeper. This was a slick one. So draw it out. You got all of that right. The break was here. It was a very small break, but it still would count. Entry. Now that's the entry is the only problem you might have had, because I would have been waiting for it to come here. Well, honestly, once it broke here, it came here and then it tapped there. I might have took it, and I might have just held it like that. Well, stop loss not there. I'd have just been like right there, F it, and just let it ride. Once we got here, I just would have set my stop loss. So, and I'd have just been playing with it. I'm up 29. Stop loss might have been there, but you know, it is what it is with that. Let's finish this out. And actually, you know what? No. Yeah, this would have been it. Yep. I would have definitely set it somewhere up here, you know, and close it, because now we're after 2. Right up in here, it's 2 o'clock. I don't like trading after 2. There you have it. Let's go. 2 for 1. I mean, I'm sorry, 2 for 3. Up a total of what, 28, 43. And honestly, I don't know, 41, 55. Yeah, I might have moved it down here some more, but we'll just stick with the 43 and then I lost 22, so 6. Yeah, basically it's about 49, which marks 50, so 49 points. That's a good W. It's a good W for sure.